Assalamu alaikum, friends! Today, we're going to talk about a powerful feeling that can change your life, and that is confidence. The first thing to remember, no one is born confident. Confidence is learned step by step, day by day. Step 1, believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, the world won't believe in you either. Say it to your heart, I am enough, I can do it. Step 2, don't be afraid of mistakes. Anyone who is afraid to make mistakes stops learning. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. Every mistake pushes you forward. Step 3, keep your body language strong. Walk straight, stand tall, look people in the eyes. All of this shows confidence. Step 4, think positively. When a negative voice comes into your mind, stop it right there. Tell yourself, I am strong, I will not give up. Step 5, practice every day. Confidence doesn't come in one day. Speak a little every day, talk on stage or in class, and slowly you'll become more confident. Friends, remember this. Confidence is not magic. It's your belief, your courage, your strength. If you believe in yourself, no obstacle in the world can stop you. Just start saying to yourself, I am confident, I can do it.